29309 in the interest of Jason Daniel Castro. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Este es el caso 2021-29309 en el interés de Jason Daniel Castro. Señora, por favor, levante la mano derecha. ¿Jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear.
And please identify yourself and your relationship to the child.
Por favor, diga su nombre completo y la relación de usted al hijo.
Mi nombre es Emily Esmeralda Castro Izaguirre y soy la mamá de Jason.
My name is Emily Esmeralda Castro Izaguirre, and I am the mother of Jason Castro.
All right, the court will note that the non-custodial parent is Carlos Daniel Martinez.
La corte nota que el papá sin custodia es el señor Carlos Daniel Martínez.
He is not present, and Mr. Martinez was personally served on June 18th, 2021.
Y el señor Carlos Martínez no está presente y le dieron servicio de la corte junio 18, 2021.
At 6:51 p.m. at 16001 Cotillion Drive, apartment 1213, Houston, Harris County, Texas.
A las 6:51 p.m. en la dirección 16601 Otillion Drive, Houston, Texas.
He's not filed an answer. Is that correct or appeared, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Y él no ha aparecido y metió una respuesta a la corte. No ha hecho eso.
We'll proceed by default.
Vamos a proceder sin él aquí.
Your Honor, the state would like to call Emily Castro.
El
Okay.
Estado llama a la señora Emily Castro de testigo.
Ms. Castro, what is your full name?
Señora, ¿cuál es su nombre completo?
Emily Esmeralda Castro Izaguirre.
Emily Esmeralda Castro Izaguirre.
Who is Jason Daniel Castro?
¿Quién es Jason Daniel Castro?
Mi hijo,
My son.
When is his birth date?
¿Cuál es la
Enero.
fecha de nacimiento de él?
enero 4 del 2020.
January 4, 2020.
How old is he?
¿Cuántos años tiene el niño?
18 meses.
He's around 18 months.
Who is his father?
¿Quién es el papá de él?
Daniel Martínez.
Daniel Martinez.
And how do you know that Carlos Daniel Martinez is his father?
¿Y cómo sabe que el señor Carlos Daniel Martínez es el papá?
Porque ha sido mi única pareja.
Because he has been my only partner.
And is there a possibility that anyone else can be the father of this child?
¿Y hay posibilidad que alguien más podría ser el papá?
No.
No.
And are you requesting that this court create a parent-child relationship between Carlos Daniel Martinez and Jason Daniel Castro?
¿Usted está pidiendo que la corte establece una relación de padre e hijo entre el niño Jason Daniel Castro y el señor Carlos Daniel Martínez?
Sí.
Yes.
And what type of conservatorship are you requesting?
¿Qué tipo de conservadores derechos esto está pidiendo?
Yo, manager con service.
Conservadores gerentes compartidos. Joint managing conservators, she said.
And are you also requesting to be the primary managing conservator with the right to designate the primary residence within Harris and contiguous counties?
Y es cierto que está pidiendo que usted sea la conservadora que tenga el derecho de decidir la dirección del niño y se tiene que mantener en el condado de Harris, un condado alrededor.
Sí.
Yes.
And for the possession and access, are you requesting a standard possession order for Mr. Martinez?
Sobre la posesión y acceso al niño de visitación, ¿usted está pidiendo la orden visitación estándar para el niño?
Sí.
Yes.
And since Jason was born, was there a time where you and Mr. Martinez were living together?
Después de que nació el niño, ¿usted y el señor Carlos Martínez vivían juntos?
Sí.
Yes.
And when did you guys stop living together?
¿Cuándo pararon de vivir juntos?
En marzo del 2021.
March of 2021.
And since you and Mr. Martinez haven't been living together, has he provided any type of financial support for Jason?
Desde esa fecha que se separaron, el señor Martínez ha aprobado dinero financiero para la niña, para el niño?
Sí.
Yes.
And how much has he provided?
En ese tiempo, ¿cuánto él ha dado a usted?
Calculamos cuánto dinero y
We calculated how much he had given me.
Okay. And you're requesting the retro period be from March 3rd, 2021 to the present with a retroactive judgment taken in the amount of $1,366 to be paid back at $60 per month, correct?
Y usted está pidiendo que la manutención atrasada retroactiva sea $1,366 y que sea pagado de $60 por mes, empezando el 1 de septiembre de 2021 y cada mes en adelante.
sí.
Yes.
Okay, and do you understand that in this order, child support is set at $653 per month beginning on September 1st, 2021?
¿Y usted está de acuerdo que la cantidad de manutención va a ser $653 por mes, empezando el 1 de septiembre y cada mes en adelante?
Sí.
Yes.
And what type of private health or dental insurance is available for your son at this time?
¿Qué tipo de aseguranza médica y dental privada está disponible para su niño?
Medicaid.
Medicaid.
And do you understand that in this order, the medical support is set at $150 per month beginning on September 1st, 2021?
¿Y usted está de acuerdo que la manutención médica mensual va a ser $150 por mes, empezando el 1 de septiembre?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you requesting that Mr. Martinez be responsible for 50% of all uncovered healthcare expenses?
Y también que usted está pidiendo que el señor Martínez sea responsable por el 50% de los servicios médicos que no cubre la aseguranza.
Sí.
Yes.
And are you also requesting that he be responsible for court costs as billed?
Y también si la corte manda un bill de corte, que él sea responsable para pagar eso para atrás del bill que le manden a él.
Sí, también.
Yes, also.
And do you believe this order is in the best interest of your child?
¿Usted piensa que esta orden es el mejor interés para su niño?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you requesting the court grant this default order?
¿Y usted está pidiendo que la corte firme esta orden?
Sí.
Yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
La corte aprueba esta orden. Muchas gracias.
So you're free to go, ma'am.
Señora
Gracias.
Aguirre, ya puede colgar. La corte aprobó esta orden y ya la firmó. Muchas gracias. Ya puede salirse de la cita.
All right. This is call number 2021-24055 in the interest of Alan Landaverde. Please identify yourself and who you represent.
No parties are here, Your Honor.
Please identify yourself and who you
Oh.
represent.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Barrera, raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right. Court will note that this is a UIFSA matter, that Mr. Jose Leonardo Landaverde, the non-custodial parent in this matter, was served on May 25th, 2021 at 10:27 a.m. at 8602 Valley Rock Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
We'll proceed by default.
Your Honor, the state would ask that you take judicial notice of the Uniform Family Support Act petition from the state of Florida, where it's requesting for child support, medical support, and retroactive support to be established from the date of 2009. But however, pursuant to the state of Texas, the state is going to proceed on the retro from the date of filing, which is April 22nd, 4 years from the date of filing, which would be April 22nd of 2017.
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, the state would like to call its first witness, Mr. Barrera.
Okay.
Mr. Barrera, could you state your name for the court?
Arnaldo Barrera,
Mr. Barrera, where are you employed?
the Office of the Attorney General,
And what is your position there?
Child Support Officer,
And what is the nature of your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you received any special training to train you to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes,
And have you calculated child support in this matter, Mr. Barrera?
yes, I have.
And what are your calculations?
Okay,
For-
I'm sorry.
No, what are your calculations for child support?
Okay. Mr. Jose Landaverde, I'm sorry. His monthly gross income based on my investigation is $4,424 after taxes and health insurance of $199. His net income is $3,497.66. That would set current child support at $700 to begin September 1st, and medical support of $199 also to begin September 1st.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Barrera. Have you also calculated retroactive child support in this matter from April of 2017 to the present?
Yes, I have. Based
And
on
what are
the,
those?
sorry, go
What are
ahead.
those calculations, Mr. Barrera?
Based on the total retro time period from May of 2017 to today's date, it totals up to $19,152. As of August 31st, 2021, and to be paid off at a amount of $146 to begin the September 1st of 2021 and monthly thereafter.
Okay, no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Maybe excuse.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. All right.
Your Honor, based off of Mr. Barrera's testimony, the state is asking that you approve the default order ordering child support to begin on September 1st at $700 a month and cash medical at $199 a month, and the retroactive child support judgment of the $19,152 at the payout being $146 a month beginning September 1st, 2021.
Okay, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.